Hello, welcome everyone to another lesson on JavaScript. In our previous class, we talked about how we can use JavaScript to manipulate HTML attributes by using a light bulb as an example, turning it on and off, using the onClick method in JavaScript to manipulate our HTML documents. So, we will continue by looking at another example of what we can do with JavaScript. So I have here with me that JavaScript can change text value. So we are going to take a look at how we can use JavaScript to change value of text. Let's proceed. And let me switch to my editor. So I have created another folder. I named it lesson 3, and inside it I created a file named index.html. So I'm going to make an HTML skeleton using the shift and the exclamation mark. So I have my HTML skeleton on the page. I just want to change the title to JavaScript, change text value. So I'm going to make a simple H2 tag, JavaScript, change text value. And inside this H2, I'm going to add an ID of demo, like I've been doing in the past lesson. So I'm going to make a button in order to manipulate or in order to change this text value, type equals button, then the onClick func method. OnClick is equal to document dot get element by ID, and the ID here is demo. So what am I trying to do? I am trying to change this text value. So let me just select this ID which I've selected here, and so I want to apply style to this text. So let me just put it dot style dot, what do I want to change? I want to change the color. Then what color do I want it to have? Let me give it a green color. Green. I'm going to close make the apostrophe. I'm going to close that here, double quotes. I'll close my button. Then I can do this as a change text color. Since this is related to color, then this will be the end of my button. So let me visualize what I've been doing in the browser. I'll open this with a live server, the extension I've been using. And you can see I'm seeing the H2 and this button in my browser. So let's continue. And one more thing I want to do is I want to put a series of attributes that I can change in this lesson, not just the color. I want to add another thing. Let me just copy this button, Ctrl C and paste, Ctrl 3, I'll paste again, Ctrl 3, I'll paste again, Ctrl 3. So I can do something like I want to change the font size, or yes, I want to change the font size to 45 pixel. I want to change the font style to be italics. The font style, I want to change it to be bold. Oh, it's giving me an error. Okay. Terminated string literal. Okay, so I want to change. I think I'm having an extra colon from there. Okay, I'll take it out. Uh, Let me change this to front width. Just got this one. Good. Then let's take a look at the browser and see what we have. Okay, we have three buttons now. Okay, so let me quickly do a little styling to make this look more appealing. Style. Or you can see I've changed the text color. So let's proceed. Now that we have the H2 and the buttons in our browser, in the next lesson, I will now show us how we can now use JavaScript to manipulate this and we'll add more style to it in the course of this lesson. Thank you. I will see you in the next one.